If you've ever wanted to mute a conversation on X, formerly Twitter, so you can stop getting distracted by a chat without deleting it or leaving it, this video is for you. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to mute conversations on X.com step by step using the simplest method possible. This is perfect if you're in a busy group chat, a reply thread you don't want to follow anymore, or a conversation that keeps sending notifications you don't need. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and go to your messages or open the chat thread you want to mute. You'll need to enter the specific conversation first, because the mute option is inside that chat's menu. Once the conversation is open, look toward the top right area of the chat window and click the three dots. This opens the Conversation Options menu. If you don't see the setting right away, don't worry. Just look carefully for the three-dot menu, because that's where the controls are hidden. Now, after clicking the three dots, click the three dots again if a second menu appears, or if you're being taken into more options. X sometimes places the mute setting a little deeper depending on the device or interface version, so take your time and follow the menu flow. Once you see the mute option, click Mute. This will stop notifications from that conversation, so you can keep your inbox cleaner and focus on the chats that actually matter to you. And that's it. The conversation is now muted. You won't need to manually delete anything, and you can always go back later if you want to unmute it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more fast and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.